SAT Practice Test 1, this section 3 that requires no calculators, and questions 16 through 20. So t is greater than 0 and t squared minus 4 equal to 0. What is the value of t? So let's factor this. T squared minus 4 equal to 0. So we have perfect square for t squared and perfect square for 4. So that's going to be t plus 2, t minus 2 equal to 0. So what we have is t plus 2 equal to 0, and another value is t minus 2 equal to 0. So we subtract 2 here, so t equal to negative 2 here. We add 2 on both sides, t equal to positive 2. So here we're told that t is greater than 0, so we select the value of t that is greater than 0, because t minus 2 is less than 0, so this is not a good value for t. So this question here, a summer camp counselor wants to find the length x in feet across a lake as represented in the sketch above. The lengths represented by AB, EB, BD, and CD on the sketch were determined to be 1800 feet. So AB is 1800 feet. 1800 feet. So EB is 1400 feet. 1400 feet over here. And we have BD is 700 feet. 700 feet. And CD is 800 feet. 800 feet. So what we can see here is we have a situation of similar triangles. So we have a situation where B, D, C and B, E, A are similar. So what that means is that BD over BE is equal to DC over EA. So this is the ratio we're going to create. So BD is 700 feet. BE is 1400 feet. DC is 800 feet. And then AE is X feet. So let's simplify this. So this is going to be 1/2 equal to 800 feet divided by X feet. So we're going to have a cross product here. So 800 feet times 1 is equal to 800 feet times 2 equal to X feet times 1. So we have 1600 feet equal to X feet. So therefore X is 1600. According to the system of equations above, what is the value of X? So we have X plus Y equal to -9. We have X plus 2Y equal to -25. So we're going to use elimination here. Actually, let's use substitution here. And we're going to find the value of Y from this right here. So Y here is going to be equal to -9 minus X. And then we're going to substitute that into this second equation. So we have x plus 2 multiplied by negative 9 minus x equal to negative 25. So x plus 2 times negative 9 plus 2 times negative x equal to negative 25. So x minus 18 minus 2x equal to negative 25. So let's add 18 to both sides. We have x minus 2x equal to negative 7. So negative x equal to negative 7. We divide both sides by negative 1, and we have x equal to 7. Next question. In a right triangle, one angle measures x degrees where sine x is 4/5. What is cosine of 90 degrees minus x degrees? So let's look at a right triangle. A right triangle, something that looks like it. So we have right triangle, and this angle here is x. We're told that, so we have so, ka, toa. Okay, so sine x degrees is 4/5. So means the opposite side. So this is 4, and hypotenuse for h is 5. So sine x is 4/5. Now we need to find the cosine of 90 minus x degrees, which is going to be this angle right here. So the cosine of 90 minus x degrees is adjacent, which is 4, over hypotenuse, which is 5. So sine x and cosine of 90 minus x will be exactly the same value. Final question, we have a is 5 square root of 2. So 2a is going to be 10 square root of 2, which you get by 5 square root of 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, but here is the way the question is written. So we have 2a is the square root of 2x. So now we need to write that expression 10 square root of 2 without simplifying the radical. So what we're going to end up with is 2a is the same as the square root of 100 multiplied by the square root of 2, which is the square root of 200. How do we get 100? It's actually the square root of 10, which is 10 here, squared, multiplied by the square root of 2. So we have the square root of 200 is 2a. Now, what we see from this is that the square root of 200 is equal to the square root of 2x. So what this means is that 2x is equal to 200. So we divide both sides by 2, and we have x is equal to 100. So that's how you solve this question.